Hello guys, welcome to this video about page testing and web development. Well, first of all, I want to talk about that whenever you write code in any environment, well, here we're not in a professional environment. This is also not professional advice, but whenever you write code, you want to assure the quality is better. Then you need to include certain kinds of tests. In the last episodes, we were talking about page testing. Now we will talk about cross-page testing. This is a bit more complex because we want to define how, or we want to figure out. Yeah, it's about finding out how your different elements of your page are interacting with each other, and for example, how is the user flow of your page? So what most users have done in the first part of the visit of the page, and what are they doing afterwards. So the information I use is from the book Web Development with Node.js and Express by Ethan Brown. It's a really good book. I only can recommend to you reading this book because when you work with AI, it is a really nice tool, but you constantly need to evolve in your thinking and in your knowledge and get new ideas. The best way to get new ideas is just to, read books from more experienced programmers, because you cannot write a prompt to a KI, to an AI, without knowing about things. So if I wouldn't know about page testing or testing your code in general, I would never consider telling my AI, write me a testing script for this and that, whatever. So you will constantly need to get new ideas by books like this. Yeah, so let's start. Absolutely, I can walk you through exactly how to implement and run the cross-page test from Ethan Brown's book on Windows without getting stuck on zombie.js, which is the tricky part. Create 2 pages. Okay. So in views, under tours, we need to create a new file called tours. Right, let's close these and our views. Okay. So on the make mkdir views tours. So we need to create this views. Not created. Okay, now we have a. Okay, and in this folder, we want then to create a new file. So cd views/tours. Ah, fuck. I think this is because the front slash is wrong. Okay, yeah. And I had a typo. Okay, so we need to create a new item called hood_river.handlebars. So new item hood-river dot handlebars. Okay, and then we put the code into it. With the handlebars. Okay, then the next one is we need to create a new item. Request group rate handlebars. New item request minus group request group minus rate dot handlebars. Oh, okay. So it has created that file as well. So go here, copy this. Okay, so we have a file about yeah, where the input is that, where group size, email, whatever. We type in just general information. Add the roots in Mido.js. Okay, this is good. Okay, and I think then we are able to see if we have created it yeah, in a way that it's not you know, getting destroyed. So here we add the roots and tours hood river. Code request group rates, and then let's go okay, then we go cd dot dot cd dot dot, and then we do node new $.js, and we go to slash what was it, tours slash hood river slash hood river, not found. First we need to go to the about page, I think. About. Oh fuck. What am I doing, guys? Not found. Where the fuck is it? Not found. Okay, whatever. Wait, before we go to the lonely part, how can I see the edit pages in the browser? Because you always need to check every step like 5 times before you do it. Okay, then let's see if this will work. Page not found. Page. Page. Okay, wait. So in this case, first we give him our file. This is my midolab.js. Midolab.js, and this is my folder structure of views. Then we want to give him the views and minus L1 minus ls. Or maybe ls minus r. Yeah. So you can show him the folder structure. And then maybe the AI will know better what is happening. Great, thanks for sharing the full structure. Your roots are correct, your folder structure is correct, and your view and file names are correct. You're still getting when visiting towards Wood River. There are only 3 possible causes left. Wait. Home handlebars. Yeah, we have a home handlebars. Should not be there. Should be called main handlebars. So then we need to rename it into main handlebars. Okay. But now we have a route to this home handlebars. Okay, why this breaks things? Restart the server, but I think this will now cause an error because it's rendering home. And yeah, we have renamed this file. Testing now. Use nodes. .js. And does not look so bad. And then we want to go to this look river thing. Visit this page again. Okay, yeah, visit. Yeah, it's still cannot find it. You dumb wanker. Yeah, fuck you when you are confident this is the issue. This is not the issue. But maybe we need to do this now. Well, I guess so. Server-side error. Oh, look at that. Wait, what is if we comment this one now? We have also server error. And if I do here, put in home, and we run this, server error, yeah. This is a bit weird. I don't exactly know what is causing this. When I go to the main URL, I am getting this. Since Express tried to render home handlebars and something inside the view or layout crashed. Main handlebars. We have two handlebars. The main handlebar here and the main handlebar here. Why do I have so many handlebars? Layouts, home handlebars. This was the last version I used. Main home handlebars contains valid HTML. Okay, let's see what it will say now. What the fuck, guys? Okay. I don't want to make this video too long, but cross-page testing is important. And for the sake of that, before you need to watch me debug this shit for like 8 hours straight, yeah, there is a program for cross-page testing. It's called Zombie, and well, you can get into the documentation of that or ask AI about it, and use this for your cross-page testing purposes. It simulates the browser and how the pages behave within your browser. So yeah, make sure to check that out, and yeah, see you in the next video.